Exercise 10A. Angles are the name of the chapter. And question 5 says, given that AOB is a straight line, find the value of unknown in each of the following figures. Some of the questions related to angles we have done before up to question 4, and in question 5 this is almost the same case, but we have to study the missing angle or the missing alphabet. It is degree A. We have to find this on a straight line. On a straight line, the sum of angle is 180 degree. If you put your protractor here, you will see it is start from 0, it is 0 and end at 180 degree. So suppose it is say 80 degree, so rest of this must be 100 degree, and when we add the two angles on a straight line, the sum will become 180 degree. Similarly, if there is a straight line and we divide it into two angles, and one is 40 degree, so other must be 140 degree, because on a straight line the sum of the two angles or three angles, how many angles are there? When we add all the angles, it becomes 180 degree. So we solve part A. The 33 is there, so what will be the A? In part A, we just subtract 180 degree minus 33 degree, and when we use calculator, or we just do it manually, 33 10 minus 3 is 7, 7 minus 3 is 4, and 1 is 0, 147 degree. So A must be equal to 147 degree, and when we add 33 and 147 degree, it becomes 180 degree. In part B, there are three angles, B, 42 and 73, and they are all available on a straight line. So when we add 3, there should be sum equal to 180 degree. So first we add 73 plus 42 degree, so it will become 5, and 7 plus 4 11, 115 degree, and we have to find B as well. The B is missing, so 180 degree minus 115 degree, so 5, 7 minus 1, 6, 1 minus 0, so it will be 65 plus 42 plus 73, and when we add all three angles on a straight line, they will become 180 degree. So angle B is of 65 degree. Okay, now in part C, there are three angles. One is 4C, it is C, and it is 80 degree. When we add all the angles, 4C plus 80 degree plus C degree is equal to 180 degree, because when we add all the angles, they must be equal to 180 degree. 4C and 1C become 5C plus 80 is equal to 180 degree. So 5C is equal to 180 minus 80, so 5C become 100, 180 minus 80 is equal to 100, and C become 100 divided by 5, so C should be 100 divided by 5, 5 other 5, 5 to the 10 0, C must be 20. So 4C mean 4 multiplied by 20 is equal to 80 degree, and 4 to the 8, 80 degree, and C is 20 degree. So when we add all three angles, the sum must be equal to 180 degree. So 4C plus 80 plus C. Now we see what will be the result if we add all angles. So 4 and C is 20 plus 80 plus 20. So it is 80 degree. We have already calculated it, and it's 20. So 80 plus 20, 180, 180 degree. So we have found 4C is equal to 80 degree. It is 80 degree, and C is alone is of 20 degree. Similarly, we can solve part D here. Part D, there are two angles. One is 4D plus 16 and other is 2D plus 14. But we know that the sum of all angles must be equal to 180 degree. So we add the 4D and 2D, 6D plus 14, 16 and 14 is equal to 30. So it is 180 degree. So 60 is equal to 180 minus 30. So 60 is equal to 180 minus 30, 150. And D must be equal to 150 divided by 6. So it is D is equal to 150 upon 6. 3 to the 6, 3 5 the 15, 0, 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 0. So D also 2 1 the 2 to the 4 and 2 5 25. So D must be equal to 25 degree. And when we add all them together, they must be equal to 180 degree. 4 in place of D we add 25 plus 16 plus 2, and for D we write 25 plus 14. So 25 multiplied by 4 is equal to 100 plus 16 plus 25 to the 50 plus 14. So 116 plus 64. So 160 and 64, it is 180 degree. So it is proved that D is equal to 25 degree.